it's got more mud. I noticed it was wet and muddy. So like right now your shit looks muddy. Yeah. Don't worry about the grout too much. Yeah, no, out here we might want to enhance, but then the grout will look funky.
Yeah.
So I just say we do the penetrator. It'll make all this look nice. But out here we want to put full coats.
All this mold
You
and
got it.
algae.
You just want to do just like that and then buff it all dry really good. There you go. Go on to the next. Out here ain't really nothing. Out here it's more just we're feeling like fun. More good. You got it now. You got it.
Do this first, move it over.
Let's go. I'll tell you, this is gonna look dope. And it dries clear, but it looks clear a little bit. But you can see how smooth this is never put on this thing. How dark it down, nice and good. Okay, so keep it that way then. Start to feel till I melt you, which is dry for like 5 minutes. And then you get down here and you slide it back.
Okay.
Corner. Yeah.
Ceiling slate. Talking on camera. Slate ceiling.
I'll be putting you the back so you're still this. There's a couple more.
Okay.
Those hard to do some pepper. It ain't worth it. Yeah. It ain't worth it. Let me show you how we got it work. Yeah. That's a lie though. I do it. We do it every, 2 to 3 years, especially if you're in an area like, for instance, here in California, we had a ridiculously wet winter, and I noticed all our customers really needed to get it sealed again. Hello.
It looks great.
Right? This is a good sealer right here. Actually, we were just talking about it. So this is, it's just going to dry a lot lighter.
Okay, no, it looks
But
great.
it's going to protect it. It's a waterproofer sealer that's going to really protect it.
Nice.
All the grout was going to cross all the stuff here. Looks really, really nice.
Cool.
Okay, now we're just going to seal it all in. And it's going to
Awesome. Hey,
go ahead.
I was just gonna say, before you leave, there's this like little patio on the top here, and obviously nothing you would have to do today, but
What is it?
it's just like the same kind of tile.
Okay.
But I mean, if you have time today, you could add it on,
Well,
or
I'm actually going to have this carefully thought about your stones out here and your ledges and clean all that stuff so we can make a little project out of it.
yeah, and then maybe add that,
If
or
you
we
wanted,
can talk about
take
it.
it off the driveway and get all that dirt and algae off of it so you don't crack in the dirt into the house.
Yeah.
Just something to think about.
So maybe after, before you leave, we can just talk about some of that kind of stuff.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
do you guys do?
Showers and bathrooms and showers.
Everything inside is pretty good. Well, there might be some. Do you guys do like grouting and
Caulking and
stuff?
grouting, yeah, mainly
Yeah.
the showers. It starts to get kind of gross and funky in there sometimes. That's why it's important to seal those too if there's
I
stones.
think that was recently done, but
Okay.
do you guys ever do like paver work?
Like, give me an example, like what are you
So
trying to
you
get
see
done?
that path in the back?
Yeah.
It's like, I guess, a mixture of like concrete and sand, or no, like, somehow they like do it like it's natural, and it only
Yeah.
lasts for like 2 or 3 years.
Yeah.
Do you? I don't like. I've never. We just moved in, so I don't know like what that looks like in terms of keeping it up, or is it better just to do something more permanent, or I don't know.
Well, for one, I think it's just a little bit more just if you like updating these like these type of stones that look really good.
Yeah.
So I really, and it probably wouldn't be as maybe dirt on your shoes. I mean, but other than that, over there, right?
Yes.
Right here. There you go. So let's do that. Let's get this over there. Come on. Oh yeah, get some water. Yeah, get some water. I want you passing it out on me.